Welcome back. This is just a quick video today because I was out in the sun yesterday and I make this little mousse as an after sun, and I thought actually I'll share the recipe because it's super easy and it works really well. So I was quite red yesterday and you can already see that it's starting to go quite lovely and brown. So I will show you how to make it. So you will need 2 ingredients really, and then you can add other ingredients if you want to. So the first ingredient is aloe vera. Now aloe vera is really good on its own. See that 100% gel. But if you add it with jojoba oil, see that? Yeah. This is like a wax, so they stay on the skin better and keep it moisturised. So I'll show you how to make a mousse. So I get a little bowl. I add about a teaspoon, because I just do my shoulders and a little bit of my face, nowhere else it's got really red. So about a teaspoon of aloe vera in there. You can use the gel out of an aloe vera plant, an actual plant, but this is really minimally processed. It's just aloe vera gel and 1 preservative, I think. Yeah, potassium sorbate. Oh, and it's got vitamin E added, so it makes it last a bit longer. So I had some of this that somebody had given me, so I just use that. Okay, so I got about a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and then we do about a third of that, a third of a teaspoon of jojoba oil. So this comes out 1 drop at a time, so it takes a little while. So you could just mix those 2 together. But I like to add a little bit of lavender oil. So there's 3 oils, essential oils that you can use for sunburn or being in the sun too long. Lavender, which is really good, and the other 2 are spearmint and Roman chamomile. I'm not going to use these 2 today, I just use the lavender. But if you have them and you want to use them, you can. So I'll just do 1 drop of lavender because essential oils are really potent and you don't need a lot. So 1 drop. It's going to take the longest time ever. Come on. Nearly there. There we go. And then we just mix that all together. And you'll see that it starts to go like an opaque colour, creamy, and then you've made your mousse then. Keep mix. You see? There you go. And then just take a little bit and put it on where the sunburn is. Mine wasn't painful, it was just pink, and I tend to do that when I'm in the sun. I just go a little bit pink and then it goes brown. I'm very lucky. And then just a little bit on the face. I wouldn't do this if you were intending to go out in the sun again though, I don't think. Probably be alright, but this is after sun, so after if you're in the sun. There we go, but you shouldn't avoid the sunshine. Don't put sunscreen on straight away either. You need to get some sunshine on the skin at least 20 minutes a day, if not more, so that you can absorb vitamin D, because being low in vitamin D is more of a risk factor than being in the sun too much. I can cite some studies down below, but yeah, definitely get out in the sun. You are a solar powered being and you should be in the sun. So there you go.